Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will cover uh, Python array model. It means how to implement array inside a Python programming language. So you have know about what is array. Array is a data structure which is used to store different types of item, right? So it means we can store multiple item. Suppose I want to store multiple item in one variable, so we can store by using array. So in array we can store only same data type of items, right? So you have know about what is list and what is use of list, how to store in list we can store different type of items and multiple items, right? So in this video we will implement Python array. So first of all, we will see intro on array module. So what is array? Array is an data structure in programming language to store multiple items of same data type. So like that we can store multiple data type of same data type. Then in other programming languages like C++, Java, and also C, we need no need to import any module for performing array. But in Python we have to import array module which is built in provided by Python. We can import it and perform all operation by using this module. Then, so first of all, how to import array module and how to implement. So suppose I have imported, you can see here I have imported array module by using import statement. So import array and I want to store even number. So even numbers are, what are the even number? The number which are divided by 2, right? So now I will create one variable, and in variable I will access the array class from array module, right? Array dot array. What is array? So this second array is a class of which is provided by array module. So then this array class takes two parameter. First one is a type code and second one is a, what is second one? Second one is a initializer. It means the value. So I have provided here which is a type code. First parameter is a I, which is type code. Then comma, second one is a initializer. So I have provided one list, and inside list I have provided 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These all are the even numbers, right? So then I will print this array, and then suppose I want to access the zeroth index item, so it will return 2. Then I want to print the first position of array. It's a even 1, then even 2. It means array also accept and provide and allows accessing a element by using indexing. Like list, we can access the array element, right? Then then type codes. As I told you, in Python array module provide one array class, and array class accepts two parameter which is type code. First one is a type code. So there are different types of type code. First one is a I, which is used for integer, which is used for storing integer value, and second one is a C, which is used for character. Third one is a float. Like that there are multiple type codes you can use for storing different type of items. Then suppose I have to perform, you can see here guys, 1 second. Suppose I want to store the name, but in Python we have to create a name variable, and inside name variable you can store the array module. And then you can see here, I will implement in PyCharm. So first of all, open the PyCharm, and we have to import array module, right? Array module I will import as a double r. It's a, what is this a double r? A double r is a, just it's a, we can say it's a subname, and we can say it's a just allies, right? Allies. So then I will create one variable and it's an object, right? I will create one object of array module, right? A double R dot array class. Then first I want to store the integer values, right? Then I will create one list. Inside list I will provide, wait 1 second, I will change the name of this variable will be even numbers. So I will print 2 4 6 8 and 10, and I will print this even object, right? So after the I will run this file. You can see here, guys, we have created one array of a even number, right? So then suppose I want to get the element of 0th index, right? So I will print here even curly bracket, square bracket open close, and provide the first first position of index. It's a 0, right? So when I execute it, it return 2, right, guys? You can see here it return 2. It means 0th index, right? It's 2. Then like that we can access all index of our array. So suppose I want to access uh, one one position index, so I will print e1 and access the one number, right? And print. So you can see here it return a 4, right, guys? So then I want to store different numbers. You can store like that, you can store different numbers. So moving forward we can perform different operation with our array. So now we have to delete the items inside a, we have to delete the elements and items from array. So how to delete the array element, right, guys? So I will show you how to delete the item from array. So in Python there is a one keyword, del keyword. By using del keyword we can delete the particular position array, right? So suppose I want to delete 0th position index element, right? So I will type del space e1 of 0, right, guys? So you can see here, and I will print our array, right? So you can see here, guys, we have successfully deleted our 0th index element, right? So like that you can delete multiple data items and different types of element in array. Then now moving forward, suppose I want to add two arrays, like concatenation, right? By using plus operator we can concatenate two array. So suppose I have created one more array e1 1 equals to array dot array I comma initializers. What are initializers? I will go with 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20, right? So I want to do, I want to do concatenate these two array. So I will simply print e1 plus e1 1, right? So and run this program. You can see here, guys, we have concatenated two array, right, guys? 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20, right, guys? So we have performed two operations. First operation was the accessing the element. Second one is a delete the particular items inside a array, and third one is a concatenation of two array, right? So now moving forward we'll see how to, 1 second, guys. What is the next operation? Next operation is finding the length of array, right? So I want to find the length of a particular array. So suppose I want to find the uh, length of e1, right? E1, it's a 4 number. line number 4, I want to find the length of even number. So I will just simply print length of particular object. It's a even. So you can see here, guys, it return a 5. What is this 5? It's a 5. It means the array have 5 element inside the array, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, these all are the five elements. You can access the you can get this size of and length of particular array by using length function. So then moving forward, suppose I want to, what we have to do, iterate our array by using while loop and for loop. Then what is iteration? First of all, we have to know about iteration. What is iteration? Iteration is a process where we can execute and count all element inside a iterator one by one, right guys? So and what is iterator? Iterator is an object which contain a countable value, right guys? Then by using for loop we can iterate our array. So moving forward, so I will explain you how to iterate our array. uh, First of all, uh, will execute and iterate our array by using for loop. So just follow the steps. For I in e1, then colon and print I, right guys, and simply execute our code. You can see here we have successfully iterated our array. You can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When the when last position element executed, then our for loop is automatically terminated, right guys? Then we can also iterate by using while loop. Suppose I will create one object I equals to 0, and I will use the while loop and put one condition, and whenever I is less than length of e1, till that I will print the e1 and pass the I inside the index, and will print I equals to I plus 1, right guys? Then simply execute it. You can see here, guys, we have successfully iterated our array by using while loop 2, 4, 6, 6, 8 and 10, right guys? Then moving forward, we'll see what is the next operation. So next operation is, one second guys. So we have seen how to concatenate to array. Then we have seen array iteration by using loops. It's a for loops and while loop. Then last one is a difference. It means a array versus list. Right guys. In Python, we'll see what is difference between array and list. First difference of array is we need to import array module, but for using list we no need to import any list class and list module, right? Then second one is array is mostly used for performing numpy operations, like you have know about numpy. So what is numpy and what is the use of numpy? By using numpy we can create multi-dimensional array, right guys? And what is use of list? We can use list for storing the user and dynamic data and different type of data in Python. And then third difference is array stores only same type of data, right? But list, what is use of list? List store different type of data. Then last one is it's a less flexible. It means array is less flexible. We cannot perform multiple and many operation with array, but list is more flexible, right guys? List is more flexible. By using list we can perform different type of operation, like we can add new element, then also we can remove element, then we can get the index of particular element, then also we can uh, clear our list, then copy list. Also we can count the number of same element, like that there are multiple operations for performing with list, right guys? So I hope you have cleared out about Python array and how to import array and how to implement all array, right guys? So in this video we have covered what is array and what is the difference between array and list and how to perform different operations on array. Right guys, I hope you have liked my video and subscribe my channel for getting more updates and for getting more video on my YouTube channel. Right guys, so thank you guys.